Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jar, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. We got our own feet, an unboxing and hand review of these Retro 6s, UNC. Comment down below, man, let me know. Y'all want on Champs, Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD, on sneakers, that let your boy know down below. You know what I'm saying? I hit a couple pairs on Champs, Foot Locker. I ain't hitting no sneakers or JD. Well, I hit a couple pairs. I didn't get a personal size, got people size and all that good stuff. But I can still get y'all own feet of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, the color of the shoe super fire, you know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong the UNC colorway. It just they come out so frequently, I just had to pass on it. That's just how I'm feeling. That's how my opinion on the shoe. The shoe is fire though, don't get me wrong, the shoe is fire. But when they coming out with so many UNC colorways of shoes, you like, alright bro, that's doing too much. So I'm like, you know what? It's a dope shoe, but I'm gonna pass on it. They gotta be like that sometimes on these shoes, bro, because it's same colorways or whatever, but it's all good. But these, like I said, these sixes are super fire. The retail price was $210 on the men's size. Grade school was like $150. So they're reselling right now. People reselling for like $375, $400. That's crazy. That's crazy. But you gotta make your money. Gotta pay the bills. But anyway, like I said, we got an unboxing and hand review and our own feet of these Retro 6s. Like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, man, let's get to the video. So like I said, beginning of the video, we got these Retro 6s UNC colorway. Got our own feet unboxing and then hand review, bruh. Come on, all in one. Come on, man. If you make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come on, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Got the own feet unboxing everything. Come on, man. Come on. But I did too much talking. I just want to show y'all the shoe because, like I said, the shoe is fire. I don't know how people miss or hit on the shoe, but shoe look, man. So, without further ado, so we get that box out. There you go. Like I said, hit on Champs. I had a couple pairs on Foot Locker. I ain't gonna lie, I keep hitting on the same common sizes, like 10 and a half, 10 and a half. I keep hitting on them sizes, that's crazy. Make sure. Going back to the side. There we go, UNC colorway. I'm a Duke fan too, so it's crazy. UNC, well, North Carolina is playing right now. Duke, I'm a Duke fan, so hopefully we get the dub. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get the dub. Coach K final game, so hey, we're gonna get the dub though. But like I said, here go the UNC 6s. Got the box right here. Got your white Jumpman. Got your white Jumpman in there as well. So it says Air Jordan 6 Retro, University Blue, White, Black, size 10.5. The retail price is $210, by the way. In case y'all wonder what's the retail price is, $210. So our tax was like $224, $225. Depends where you're from. But let's go get these bad boys out. Bang. There they go, man. The Retro 6s, UNC colorway, man.
Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoop. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
I like that detail right here as well. Stitching on the back, I like that detail a lot. So it's basically like the Carmine 6s. It's just what the red is the UNC blue is. That's all it is in the back of this right here. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Boom, let's get this other shoe out. Here they go, man. The UNC 6s right here, man. Came out today. Retail price was $210. But let's go and talk about the shoe, man. So we got your UNC Jumpman with a hint of the U with the icy soles right here on the bottom of the shoe. Oh, bounce, you got your UNC colorway. So the whole upper of the shoe is suede. So wherever you see the UNC blue, it is suede. But when you see the white, it is leather right away. So like I said, you got your UNC on the toe box is suede. By the way, like I said, I can see the suede moving back and forth. Going on the side here, Like I said, you got your hints of this blue UNC, also suede as well. And this white part is leather, by the way. Going on back of the heel, it says quality products inspired by the greatest player of all time, and it says Team Jordan right there as well. Go along the tongue, you got your navy blue and white Jumpman logo, lace lock. You got your UNC and that navy blue Jumpman right in the middle. And inside the shoe, you got your, it's like that UNC navy blue and UNC blue inside the shoe. On the tongue right here, it says Jordan as well. Only sets of white laces. I thought they was gonna come with like different type of laces, but overall, this definitely a dope colorway. Definitely dope. If you're into sixes, it's definitely a must cop for sure. It just, like I said, come out with so many UNC colorways. But comment down below, man. Let me know. Like, y'all agree with me? Y'all disagree? Like, they just come out with so many UNC colorways, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What's the next UNC is gonna be? They did the 1s, 3s, 4s, 6s. I think the 5s next. I think the 7s next. Maybe some 8s. So they becoming crazy with the UNC colorways. Or some 12s. Like, see, like this on some 12s. I ain't gonna lie, them be hard. Them definitely be hard for sure, man. But I already did a little too much talking on this shoe, man. We're gonna get our own feet going. When I come back, we're gonna talk about the size run. You know what I'm saying? A little bit. Is it gonna be a restock, anything like that? We're gonna talk about all that good stuff when I come back up from my own feet. Make sure you like to subscribe if you're new. Let's get this own feet going, man. Let's get it.
Just cop from jeweler, new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm tryna be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cry.
There they go, man. I'm back from my own feet. So I give y'all two different perspectives. So I gave y'all one without the lace lock. If I wear my retro sixes, I will do it just like this without the lace lock, or I will have it just like this, or I'll have the lace lock down here. You know, you got untie the laces and all that good stuff. But I had a lace lock like right here or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something different. I used to do that at high school, all that good stuff, man. But people wear it either like this or they wear it like this. But I used to just have a lace lock like right here. Trust me, y'all. If y'all know what I'm talking about, let me know down below, man. Cause I know I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? Have it like different way. I used to have the Carmine. I used to have some heat as a high school. The flu games, Carmine sixes. I had a lot of heat in high school, man, for sure. But the size wearing retro sixes, I always tell people get your true size. So normally, it's crazy. I normally wear 11 and a half, and like retros or Nike Dunks or whatever. This 10 and a half don't feel too bad. You know what I'm saying? You know, 11 would fit me just perfect, but 10 and a half don't fit too bad at all. So I always tell people go true to size on retro sixes because this shoe is not too much narrow, I should say. It's more like a wide shoe a little bit because it's not necessarily too narrow when you see the outsole of the shoe. Like, it's not too narrow when you see like compared to like a retro 1 or like a, I should say like a retro 7, anything like that. It's not too narrow for real, I should say. So get your true size in these retro sixes for sure, man. But the resale price on these, like I said, people reselling for $375, grade school $300 and all that good stuff, man. But in my personal opinion, I'll wait until everybody get their pairs coming in from like Foot Locker, Nike online, all that good stuff. Prices might drop down. Who knows? It was crazy how these shoes, I wouldn't say limited, but like it was kind of hard getting my hands on a little bit, if that makes sense. Cause like, yeah, they had the raffles or whatever, but certain stores didn't have them. Certain stores somehow, oh, we didn't get them or this and that and the other. It was kind of crazy. But the people that got the shoes for, they happy, it's all good to go. But the main point is, I get to give the review out for my family members, my family, y'all. I wouldn't call y'all subscribers. I call y'all my family. I get to do a review out for y'all. Like I said beforehand, the size run, like I said, it's true to size for a 10. Go ahead and get that 10, man. Like I said, these 10.5s don't fit too bad at all, but 11 will fit me just perfect. You know, it's not my personal size, which I get what I'm trying to say. Basically, like, they fit a little snug, but not too tight on my feet, I should say, if that makes sense. But yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always, man. Come with another banger next week. Got the retro 12s, got some Yeezy slides. Hopefully I hit on the raffles, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna talk about all that good stuff, man, this upcoming week. I catch y'all tomorrow, man, how to cop the retro 12s and the Yeezy slides, man. So hopefully we get good luck, man, family members. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always. Make sure you follow me on my platforms down below. I would really appreciate it, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Jared1 is out. Peace.